Alright, here we have a 2003 Land Rover Discovery. Customer basically took the car to get repaired, and they have a separate key. This key works the door. This key worked the ignition. Apparently somebody broke it. As you see, they broke it off in the ignition. Since I'm trying to pull that out, cut them a regular key. And that's it. Well, the buttons on this don't work, so I'm just going to end up just cutting them a regular key. And they'll continue using this for their doors. I'll come back in a little bit after I've extracted the key and then cut it. Alright, we're back at that Land Rover Discovery. Basically, here's the broken key. It's stuck in the spring. The spring is usually on the back of the lock. So the key came through this hole, came all the way through, and got wedged up into this spring. So that's probably explains why I was having great difficulties removing the broken key. So I ended up taking the ignition apart and taking it out that way. So when you deal with stuff like this, you may also want to have somebody that knows how to take the locks apart, that can be able to service it, put it back together without damaging anything on the car. So I'll come back with this all put together. Here's the new key. I'm going to go ahead and cut it, and that's it. I'll come back with showing everything back together working properly. Alright, we're back at the Discovery. Here's the extra key we cut. Here's the other key that they have for the door. I was able to not only pull the broken piece out of the ignition, I was able to repair the ignition and make it work with this key. So I end up cutting. So now this truck basically is back to one key. Here's my key. This is what everybody wants to see. Oh yeah, keep in mind it's going to take a few hours to get all this kind of stuff fixed, but I said this truck is ready to go. So you have any questions, you need our help, and you're in Georgia, give us a call. If you're out of state, then you would have to take off the ignition and just ship it to us. Keep in mind, we don't provide no tech support. We definitely don't support anybody's product. So if you buy some keys, you want to know how to program the remotes, that's not what we do. But you can go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.